How can I create custom array iterators in JavaScript? If you have ever wondered how to create custom array iterators in JavaScript, you are in for a treat. This topic is essential for anyone looking to master array iteration and control flow in their web development projects. Let's break it down step by step. First, it is important to understand what an iterator is. An iterator is an object that has a method called next. This method returns an object with two properties: value, which is the current item, and done, which is a Boolean indicating whether the iteration is complete. On the other hand, an iterable is an object that implements the method Symbol.iterator. This method returns an iterator. To create a custom iterator for an array, you can follow these straightforward steps. Start by defining an object that will hold the array you want to iterate over. Next, implement the method Symbol.iterator on this object. This method should return an iterator object. Now, the iterator object must include the next method. This method will return the next item in the array, wrapped in an object that contains the properties value and done. Inside the next method, keep track of the current index. If the index is less than the length of the array, return the current element with done set to false. When the index reaches the length of the array, return done set to true to indicate that the iteration has finished. Let's look at an example to make this clearer. Imagine you want to create a custom iterable object that iterates over an internal array. You can define it like this. Let my iterable is equal to items 10, 20, 30, 40. Symbol.iterator. Let index is equal to 0. Let items is equal to this, items. Return. Next, if index items length, return value, items index plus plus, done false. Else, return value, undefined done true. With this setup, you can now use a for of loop to iterate through the values. When you run the loop, it will output 10, 20, 30, and 40. This approach allows you to customize how the array is iterated. You can filter values, skip elements, or even iterate in a specific order. There are many practical applications for custom array iterators. You can create range iterators, cycle through elements indefinitely, or iterate over complex data structures that behave like arrays in iteration contexts. To sum it up, creating custom array iterators in JavaScript involves implementing the iterable protocol by defining the method Symbol.iterator. This method returns an iterator object with a next method that manages the iteration state and returns the appropriate value and done status. This allows your custom objects to work seamlessly with JavaScript's iteration constructs, like for, of loops.